in cattle / bovine. Septic arthritis is a serious orthopedic ortho condition in cattle. It occurs when bacteria infects a joint. The arthro equals your joint, leading to inflammation, which is itis. It's common in calves due to umbilical infections or wounds. The anatomy and disease process of septic arthritis is the infection affects iphilis, end of the bone, and joint cartilage, causing cartilage illus. A severe inflammation, itis, results in pain, swelling, and limited flexion / extension. Hypertrophy of tissues and muscle atrophy often develop, may progress from acute to chronic disease if untreated. The causes and risk factors: the bloodstream spread from the umbilical, the navel area, infections in calves, antenatal, before or postnatal infections are possible, the direct trauma or penetrating wounds in older cattle, poor hygiene, low colostrum intake, unsanitary calving conditions, and hematoma formation can allow bacterial injury. The clinical signs are acute onset lameness and fever, pain, heat, and swelling of the joint, reluctant to bear weight, adduct and abduct movements are painful, reduced joint flexion and extension, muscle atrophy and wasting in chronic cases, apaxal muscle wasting possible if spinal joints are affected. The diagnosis of septic arthritis are inflammation, always expected, clinical exams, swelling, pain, lameness, joint aspiration, aseptic technique required, intra-articular fluid analysis in a culture. Radiographs may show transversion / oblique fractures, bone illness. Arthroscopy may be used to visualize joint damage. Treatment and management is systemic antibiotics, often intramuscular, joint lavish flushing, sometimes arthroscopic, anti-inflammatory medication, aseptic wound and joint care critical. Severe cases may require culling, and chronic cases may lead to permanent lameness. Prevention for this illness is maintain calving hygiene and dip umbilical cords, provide adequate colostrum to newborn calves, manage wounds quickly, aseptically, and reduce overcrowding and improve housing conditions. The key takeaways are septic arthritis is an acute infection condition in cattle caused by bacteria reaching the joint through bloodstreams or wounds, leading to inflammation, pain, swelling, and loss of mobility. Chronic cases cause permanent joint damage and atrophy. Prevention is the best strategy. These are all my medical terms I've used in references.